Okay, in this video we're going to find the extension of a particle P using Hooke's law. So let's have a look closely what we've got here. Okay, so what we've got here is a block. We've got an elastic string here, and we've got a pulley picked here. The natural length of the string at the moment is 0.8. The modulus of elasticity is 50 newtons, and the mass is 1.4 kilograms, which we can change. So acting downwards, if we release the system, now unfortunately there's a slight delay of about 1 or 2 seconds. So if I release it, you might originally think that nothing happens. So I'll remind you that, there you go, you can see it happening. Okay, it will go down at that particular point, 0.22 meters. Okay, so what is the mathematical model for that? Well, okay, the forces acting on the particle, we've got T acting upwards and 1.4 G acting downwards. Okay, so T will be equal to 1.4 G, and therefore if we use Hooke's law is the modulus of electricity over the natural length of the string times the extension x. We've got 1.4 G is going to be equal to 50, because that's the modulus of elasticity at that point, and the natural length is 0.8. And if we rearrange that, you get 0.22. If you change these, okay, you might have to reset the system though. Okay, again, you might have to wait a little bit, maybe a long time. There you go, it's just done it. Gone down a bit further that time, 0.32 meters. Okay, sorry about the slight delay, I don't know why. Okay, but the GeoGebra app will be in the notes of this video. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.